Susie, watch it. Oh my God. Watch these. Hey, can you be careful when I'm walking by you? I can't see you, it's dark. Is it hot enough? That's gonna blow away. I don't think you should have it there. It is like 20 miles per hour. You better hold on to that. Want me to tie it down? Or let's tie it down one more time right there. Hold on tight. Oh my God. I don't know about this idea. Oh, because you have to hold it? Like Susie's butt is glowing. What? Look at all that wind.